Good evening, ma'am. This is my JavaScript, the interactive quiz game. So, I will just focus more on the JavaScript kay ma gamay ra man po ni siya dire. So, I'll be focusing more sa JavaScript. So, firstly, we have here the const quiz. So, what it is it is a JavaScript array that contains multiple question objects. This one. So how they how it works. So each object has a question, the options, and the answer. So the question is the text of the quiz question. Next is the option, an array of multiple choice answers, and the answer, the correct answer string. So what it does to the program is it holds the quiz content. The rest of the program will loop through this array to show questions and check answers. So next is the let current question. So it is a counter that tracks the index position of the current question being shown. So it tells the program which question from the quiz array to display. So next is the let's score. So it is a variable that keep tracks on the user's mga correct niya nga answers. So muna siya gigamit to display and to calculate the final score at the end sa quiz. So next we have here the DOM elements, the selectors. So what they do? These elements connects the elements by ID to JavaScript. It shows the JS code to change its content style or behavior dynamically. So ginakuha ni sila nga mga selectors from the index HTML. This one, the div question nga gigamitan og ID, and so on. Kani sila. So next is the function display questions. So its purpose is to display the current question and its mga answer choices. So how will they operate? First is they get the current question object by using the quiz current question, this one, which is this current nga const is mo'y gahold sa quiz nga array na nga naa diri sa taas. So second is it sets the question text in the HTML. So third is it clears the old option and feedback using inner HTML. This one. So fourth is it is to like mo-loop siya through the options og mo create siya og li elements. And the last part is each li gets a click event that calls the check answer option. This one. So what it does to the program is like mo update siya sa question and choices sa screen, and it resets the interface every time a new question is shown, and yes, it also hides the next button until the user answers, meaning like if di pa maka-choose og answer ang user, dili mo gawas ang next button. So next is the check answer nga function. So its purpose ni ani nga function is mo check siya if the selected answer is correct and provides feedback, which is this one. So how will they operate? It first is they get if they get the correct answer from the quiz object, it then compares the selected option with the correct answer nga gikan diri sa imuhang array nga quiz. So if correct, the score increases by 1, meaning this one. Dayon mo it shows green correct nga message. If otherwise, it shows wrong and correct answer nga katong correct answer nga gibutang diri ang answer. So it also disables all options so user can click it twice. This one. And then it displays the next button and update the score display. So next is the function update score. So its only purpose is to update the score display on the page. So how does it operate? It sets the text content of the score div in the current score like 2-3, meaning diri nga div diha niya mapagawas ang score sa user. So next is the button on click. So its purpose is to handle the event when the user clicks the next question. So it increments current question by 1. This one. So if more question exists, it calls the display question, meaning mutawag siya diri og balik here nga function. Or else, otherwise, if the quiz is finished, it calls the show final score, meaning ang final score na sa user. This function here. So what it does is basically move the quiz forward or ends it if all questions are answered. So next is the show final score. Its purpose is to display the final score and a little bit of twist nga na ay motivational message. So how does it operate? First is it changes the question text to quiz completed if ever mahuman na sa user ang iyahang quiz. So second is to clear all options and feedback. This one. Third is it is to show a message nga nagadepende sa imuhang final score. So if ever naa kay perfect score na makakuha ka og great job. If you have half or 1 or half 2, you will have well done. And otherwise, this one, you can do better. So what it basically does is just to end the quiz experience with a little bit of twist. And lastly, we have here the display question. Obviously, it initializes the quiz when the page loads. So what it does is to immediately displays the first question as soon as the script runs, like mo start siya o go through. I'll have the example here. So here, muni ang iyahang first question. So if ever masayop ka, mugawas ning wrong niya nga kani mugawas ang iyahang feedback element. So next is if masakto, if ever, mugawas pud ang green nga naay correct. And lastly, if sakto gihapon, next question, you will have well done if ever nakay 2 or like half. So lastly, if atuhaning i-refresh mo, balik siya sa iyahang sa first gid nga question. So ay maura tumag, and I hope nga makasabot ra ka. Again, good evening and thank you.